Mr. President, the respectable audience, let me today on the eve of Kashmir Day draw your attention to the plight of our Kashmiri brethren. Hearken to the slots of bullets, crackles of clubs, fire sounds of explosions, screams of children, sighs of mothers, and silenced voices of resistance against oppression. Mr. President, for more than 70 years have our fellow Muslims been denied their rights to be sovereign. 70 years, Mr. President. In these 70 decades, they have made countless sacrifices. Countless mothers have lost their sons. Enough blood of theirs has been spilled until now. Nevertheless, the struggle goes on. My honor, Kashmiris have done what they could. But the history brings to the light of question, O Pakistanis, what have you done for your fellow Kashmiris? They have suffered for a long just because of their demand for annexation to Pakistani. What have you given in return? Let's recall today the message of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who while addressing the Kashmiris laid to the course of action for all of us. While addressing the Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference on 26 October 1946, he remarkably said, "My message and earnest appeal to Muslim leadership in Kashmir is organize your people educationally, socially, economically, and politically, and set your hand on constructive nation building program. Mr. President, we need to receive our conscience, awake our senses, and follow the call to action. This day should not be merely a commemorative day, it should be the day of allegiance. The day of pledging allegiance to the cause. Kashmir will never be sovereign, Mr. President, unless we get to fix the internal cracks in Muslim Ummah. Unless the sectarian fire is extinguished, unless our Muslim stakeholders take pain for Kashmiris. Unless the Kashmir dispute is voiced well in the international community. Unless the world comes to know the heinous atrocities of so-called democratic India in Kashmir over 70 years. Unless we are united, unless we are devoted. Thank you.